What is a decorator? A decorator is a function which takes another function as its input and defines one more additional new function such that the new function has statements for executing the original functionality plus some additional generic logic. So let us see this with the help of an example. Suppose I have a function, some function 1. It takes a number and it divides it by 0. Suppose there's another function. It takes in two parameters, p1 and p2, and it returns the sum of both. Now, if I execute these functions directly, this will give an error. Yeah, zero division error. Likewise, if I execute the second function directly and add two different data types for the sum, this will also result in an error. So you can see unsupported operand types. Now, if I want to add try catch functionality to both of these without adding it multiple times here and without including it in the original logic, what I can do is I can create a decorator function, suppose named as try except. It takes another function as its parameter, so let us call it inner function. It defines another function, let us call it new function. This new function takes all the arguments whichever there in the original function. Here it executes the original function with the same parameters as well as it adds the additional try except logic. Alright, now if we decorate our function and we have to return this new function. Now if we decorate our original functions with this decorator, all our individual functions will have the additional logic of try except. As you can see, both the functions have got executed without any exception because the exception was caught by the decorator function and the exception was printed just like a statement. So division by 0 exception occurred and unsupported operand types exception occurred.